Hello everyone.
Hello.
This month's Vanners collaboration is
tools we carry with us in the van and repairs we have made whilst we've been away. That is the subject matter for this month's collaboration.
Yeah, and please watch everybody's videos. The other collaborators' logos will be passing along the bottom here. I'll just say I am sucking a sweet because I've been really poorly and I keep coughing. So if I don't suck a sweet, I will be coughing all the time.
But you are on the...
I am on the mend.
Yes, yeah. Right, well, this is the little toolbox that we carry, and the most important tool out of here so far is the screwdriver. Why, you may ask? Well, cupboard doors, and especially these hinges keep coming undone, and these are oversized screws because the smaller ones, the hole just became too large, so I've had to put oversized screws, and as you can see, this one is not really tightening. That one is.
They're a nuisance, aren't they, these doors? I suppose it's because you keep opening it
and closing it. But I suppose if it was solid wood, would be okay. But it's chipboard. That's the trouble. So
that's our first repair, isn't it? On a regular basis.
On a regular basis.
And we do go round the van, checking on other screws,
I suppose,
that come loose.
Yeah, with all the vibration while you're travelling, then of course things are gonna come loose.
Yeah. Next repair, really a repair, is it? I suppose. But when we're away, if it's going to be fine weather, we put the awning up.
Yeah.
And to enable us to do that, we do need tools.
Yes.
So the tools we need are...
Well, of course, you need a mallet.
Oh gosh, that's a bit scary. Yes.
And this is a rubber mallet.
Yeah.
Okay. And the awning we have, the centre section, we have to pump up. So this is a very important tool.
Yeah, it is.
The pump.
Yeah, so it inflates. It goes in a semicircle like that, doesn't it?
Yes,
to hold the roof up.
That's right.
That's Archie scratching, everybody.
Yeah. So this is the pump that we use for the awning.
Yes. Sorry, everybody. The next one would be the Remis blind, wouldn't it, Tony?
That is something that has broken.
Yes, we were away, it's a little while ago now, and Tony went to either shut the blind or open it, I can't remember which way, and the mechanism that I think a lot of people find that breaks broke.
Very poor design.
That's Tony's excuse. It's a poor design.
Well, it is, because it's very thin plastic.
Yeah.
And the actual repair kit, the new ones, they made them a bit thicker.
Yeah.
So
anyway, while we were away, you did do a repair on it, did you? Didn't you? What did you do a repair with?
The passenger side one went. Shall we just show them what?
Yes, but what did you? I'm ever so sorry, everybody. What did you repair it with?
Well, we repaired the section because they'd come apart. Then we improvised and used a piece of insulation tape to get us back
black insulation tape. It looked really lovely, everybody.
Well, it doesn't matter what it looked like, as long as it did the job.
Anyway, this is where it was. Go on then.
Right. Okay. You can see this pivoting. Well, inside there is a plastic insert, which is part of the pivoting mechanism, and that's what broke off. Okay, and you can buy these sections complete, but all we needed was this little plastic part here, and we managed to get a kit from eBay of all places.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so we didn't actually need this section. So
he mended it, and I might have a little bit of film what it looked like when it was broken, but when I wanted to film Tony mending it, he'd mended it before I had time to come and film it. So I didn't get the chance to film him doing it.
I was too quick.
Yes. So that's the Remis blind repair.
What our toolkit comprises of. So I'll just open the box. And a very important item is this 30mm spanner, which of course most people know is changing the gas cylinder. So I'm sure everybody has got one of these. What else we got? We've got a pair of pipe grips, a couple of screwdrivers, posi drive and the flathead screwdriver, a pair of mole grips. This little item in here is an oil pen, stop these squeaky hinges, a little hacksaw, an adjustable spanner, a pair of little pliers, electrical insulation strippers, some electrical connectors, tape, and a pair of scissors. So that's basically it. Oh, what we got here? Oh, and the tape measure.
We do have another box in one of the drawers over there, and it's got fuses and that sort of thing in it. Anyway, our last repair that had to be done,
yes,
was Tony.
It was an accident, honest.
Yes, Tony. We were at Sandy Gould's, weren't we, in Norfolk?
And it was absolutely chucking it down with rain. We were
excuse.
leaving the site. I reversed out. I've got a reversing camera at the back, which is all misted up because of the torrential rain. And as I started making the turn backwards, bang, I hit a grass bank.
And I heard this bang, and I thought,
oh no. Should have done a 3-point turn.
Yes, and he didn't.
But I tried. I thought I could get around just by one turn. And I just caught the driver's side rear end onto the side of the grass bank. Luckily, because it was soft earth, it just bent the bumper down and it didn't break any of the
it didn't
lights.
break anything.
We'll just show you some pictures.
Yeah, so I'll put those up. We should have done that in a video, but Tony didn't want to at the time.
Yeah. Well,
this has come ideally, hasn't it?
Yeah. I mean, we didn't repair. It was safe to drive home. Nothing was dropping off. But the repairs was done on the drive, luckily.
Yeah, when we got home. We couldn't have done that while we were away.
No, we thought it may have been an insurance job, but when I looked underneath it, I could see that the 2 brackets had bent. So basically it was just undoing the brackets, reforming them into right angles and fitting them back. Yeah. Which worked a treat.
Yeah. So anyway, I was not very pleased, as you can well imagine.
The air was
because
blue.
This was last April, was it? So the van wasn't even 2 years old, was it then? But accidents happen, as we all know. So that is the repairs that we've had to do in our van so far. Fingers crossed we don't have to do any more. I mean, we've just had the vehicle MOT'd, serviced and habitation check, and it's passed with flying colours, so that makes you feel better. These are the only repairs that we've had to do
so far. Because we are newbies.
Yes, because we still say we're newbies, because we are. So I think if anything really drastic happens to the motorhome, you know, we would be taking it in for somebody else to repair it. We hope you've enjoyed what you've seen on our video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye for now.